Parking assist, E300 2019.
It's cold in here.
Alright, we might have to film more. As long as they can see everything. Down a little bit. I'm gonna scoot up for you. A little bit. Alright. This thing's been sitting for a long time. Alright. So this is going to be a walkthrough of how to do the parking assist in 2019 E300. Come to a stop. You start with pressing this button right here, the P with the camera. When you click that, it's going to pop up on the screen to show you that it's searching for a spot. Once it finds a spot, it's going to beep and also show you where it's at on the map. Let's see if we can pick up this spot right here. You just come to a stop. It shows the spot right here. It shows that you want to use your finger on the touchpad right here. All you do is click your touchpad. You can select forward or reverse. Let's just go with reverse. Click your touchpad again, and it says we want to put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, and then you can let go of everything. I would guide my foot over the brake just to be safe though. Makes you feel a little bit more comfortable with the car. It will change gears for you, so you won't have to do that. It's gonna get pretty close. Come to a stop. It's gonna change gears. Straighten out. Change gears again. And it's gonna put us as best as it can between the two cars. It's not reading the lines. It's gonna read the space between the cars. So if you have two people who parked kind of crazy, it's gonna go between them as best as it can. Beeps to let you know you're done, and then you're gonna be put in park. Now let's say you get out, go to dinner, you wanna come back in the car and you want it to exit the parking spot for you. All you have to do is get in the car, start it up, push your camera button again here, your parking assist button. When we click that, it pops up on the screen, and it's going to show if you want to leave to the right or to the left. Let's just say we want to leave to the left. Click that. It tells us to put it in drive. Put it in drive, and it does its thing. After it gets pulled out, it's going to tell you to grab the wheel, and then you'll be on your way. Should do it here just in a minute. And that's how you do parking assist on a 2019 E300.